What's up, everybody? So as the LLM market structure stabilizes, the next frontier is now emerging, which aims to endow AI systems with deliberate reasoning, problem solving, and cognitive operations, aka AI agents and compound AI systems. So generative AI's Act Number 1, the Agentic Reasoning Era Begins by Sequoia, unpacks where we are 2 years into the generative AI revolution and the implications of moving from AI systems that are great at thinking fast to those that are excellent at thinking slow. Building off my most recent AI with Alec newsletter number 31, my biggest takeaway is for enterprise AI leaders to consider the cognitive architectures or how your systems think. Number one, it's critical to avoid underestimating the importance of human, real-world, and nuanced expertise fused into your intelligent systems. Here's the quote. As the research labs further push the boundaries on horizontal general-purpose reasoning, we still need application or domain-specific reasoning to deliver useful AI agents. The messy real world requires significant domain and application-specific reasoning that cannot efficiently be encoded in a general model. Number two, embracing an end-to-end perspective when thinking through your architecture and component parts. 2 years ago, many application layer companies were derided as just a wrapper on top of GPT-3. Today, those wrappers turn out to be one of the only sound methods to build enduring value. What began as wrappers have evolved into cognitive architectures. There's an enormous amount of engineering required to turn the raw capabilities of a model into a compelling, reliable, end-to-end business solution. It's a really powerful quote right there. Number three, exploring next-level alignment between your tech stack and the jobs to be done framework of your customers is also critical. You can look to Sierra as an example. Shout out Brett Taylor. Here's the quote. Sierra is a good example. B2C companies put Sierra on their website to talk with customers. The jobs to be done is to resolve a customer issue. Sierra gets paid per resolution. There is no such thing as a seat. You have a job to be done. Sierra does it. They get paid accordingly. It's very powerful to have a pricing model that's outcome driven that way. Number four, compound AI systems are likely to mature faster than most expect. Most of the cognitive architectures to date incorporate clever unhobbling techniques. Now that these capabilities are becoming baked deeper into the models themselves, we expect that agentic applications will become much more sophisticated and robust quickly. Enjoy the rest of your day. Talk soon.